Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitch with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great Wednesday. Well, today we have a surprise unbagging from my order from Fansells. And I have already done this video once and messed it up, so I'm going to go back through it again so you can see everything. So, I ordered enough stuff that I got a blind box thing. They're like $4.98, so you can order it yourself, you know, with any order that you make with Fansells. And you have your choice of cross-stitch, diamond painting, or paint by number. You just pick which one, and they'll send you a kit of that appropriate one. So, I ordered cross-stitch on my blind box. And they sent me this cute little picture of this girl. She's got like flowers in her hair and bunny rabbits all around her. Isn't she cute? And this is a 40 by 55. And it's an 11 count. It's 147 by 212. And I wouldn't say the pattern is kind of messed up. Like, it's not smeared like this or anything. It's just kind of, you can see it all kind of melds together there. So I usually don't have a problem with 11 count, so we won't worry too much about it. And if you contact the company, they will send you a QR code and or a, what do you call it, like the link to this actual pattern, then you can print it off at your own house. So this has 28 colors. We have 310 black, 498 red, let's see, 939, 3371, which is the dark brown, and no 3865 in this. And it has some really beautiful, beautiful colors. Trying to get it undone here. It has one extra skein, so I'm assuming this is the background, and it's color 351. And it does come on a thread card, and since there's only 28 colors, there you go. Beautiful greens, some red, oranges, tans, browns, kind of a rustish brown looking color. This is your 3371. So I'm assuming they're using this color right here for like the whites. And this one is kind of an off brown, if you will. Like a pale tan. So very nice colors. Just absolutely beautiful. And we'll look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. Now the serging does go a little bit into the numbers, but since it's on a thread card, you shouldn't have a problem. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Does have some big areas, but the rest of it is kind of evenly proportioned, if you will, for a 28 count. So there's not a whole lot of confetti in this, but very nice. Very nice. Let me see if I can measure. Trying to get it organized here. I'm having a day, I'm telling you. Some days are like this. Alright, so it is 54.5 centimeters by 39.5 centimeters. Actual is 13.25 inches or 33.5 centimeters by almost 19 inches or 48 centimeters. So yeah, it's a nice size. It fits on your lap. It's not too overly big. So very nice. I think I'll really like stitching on this. Very nice. And I like that it's serged. It is kind of a stiff fabric, but this is that fabric that you can crunch really well. I won't crunch it too much. We'll put it up there. So the next one that we have, I got to get the little piece of paper, is a spring kit. And I got to get the picture. Here we go. And it's called Ancient Palace. And it looks like this. The picture on the front of the box, hang on, was kind of, had like a part of it out of there. So that's why I'm showing you it in this picture here. And that's the best picture that it has. It is 280 by 370 stitches. And it has, oh my goodness, where I did this before. Oh my Lord, I can't. Let me get rid of the box. Oh gosh, let me hit everything. So sorry, all y'all. We're going to get it together today, I swear, before the day's over. Okay. There we go. It has 71 colors in full cross stitch. It has 1 in back stitch and 8 colors in like the mixed threads. And there are 9 parts to this booklet. So some of the parts are just this big. This is page 9 because it's right there. So very nicely done. We have 154 mulberry, no 310 black. We have, I'm working on it, no 823. We do have 814, which is a brick red, and 815. And no 939. We have 3371. And we have that butter color of 3770. And we have 3865 for white. So, very nice. And it does look a little confettied. Yikes. Yikes. Oh my goodness. I'm shuddering. Yeah. Let's take a look at the threads. Now it does have an extra bag of threads. So those are all the spares. Let me get that. There are 3 color cards here, and they're all on thread cards. So you can see they're kind of autumny colors, if you will. Beautiful mochas, reds. There's even a little bit of blue in there. And more, see, they're all autumn color with oranges, reds, golds. So very pretty. And then you add all these with some more autumn colors. So very nice. That bright yellows. Wow. Oh my goodness. Very, very pretty. Let me put them all together here. So you can see. So it's kind of got a theme going. For both of these that I got that were real big. I'm going to put that in there. Maybe. Oh my goodness. Some days you should just stay in bed, Laura. We're trying. Let me put that up there. That is a wad of thread. And now we can look at the canvas. We're going to have to look at this in sections. There's no way I can measure this. I think it was 70. I don't know that it said there. Not at all. 71 by 112 or something like that. So it's fair good size. And there's just a little back stitching on the lanterns there. Let me see, do we see any more? I don't see a whole lot of back stitching at all. Not at all. Where's, oh, there's the lantern. It's like, why did they bother? And there's no back stitching up here, you know, in these tree lines. and all the things hang in there. So I don't know why they bothered just to go on the lantern, but it's different. Different. So you can see there is some confetti down through here, but it does have bigger areas. So, and this is that front part of that building. So that'll be very easy to stitch. But when you get over or down, I'm trying to figure out which way it goes. I guess I got it upside down. Oh my goodness gracious. So there's the building, and then there's those trees up there in the top. That's where all that confetti's at, but the rest of the building, very stiff canvas. Rest of the building looks real cut and dry and easy to see. Let me flip it. So as you can see, there's nice big areas there. And there is that lantern that they backstitched on. But the rest of it is trees. But I would say, oh, maybe half of it is not confetti. Maybe there's more than half that isn't confetti. It's where you get into all the depth of the trees and the what do you call it? The roof line and all that. So very nice. Very nice. Did it say there? No, it just says how many stitches. Dagnabbit. Oh, I'm prepared today. But it does have, I did it again, a very nice key that runs along there, and it is serged all the way around. So, very nice. And on the paper pattern, turn it this way, the outside symbols on this are what is on the canvas, and the inside symbols is what's on the paper pattern. So you have two sets of symbols there. But I just like this. I thought it was beautiful. I really, really did. I didn't know how, you know, crazy it was going to be. Sorry, I have to move things again, or we'll be having avalanches. And the last one, let me see if I can find the picture, is 325 by 431. And where is its picture? Is this one. Isn't that pretty? Look at all those trees and the little mountains and everything. And then you got a building here. And I think this is called Riverside. I think it's called Riverside Building. Didn't say Riverside Building Night Moon like the other one. But, and so it's relatively small compared to all this nice background stuff. It's like it's up in the clouds. It's really pretty. This has 75 colors. Let me move that for a second. And in full stitch. There is no back stitch. And there is 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 colors in mixed colors. So this one has 310 black, 666 red, 814 is the brick red, and no 939. We have 3371, which is the dark brown, and we have 3771. Don't know what that is. 3770, which is that yellow buttery color. And nothing else. No 3865 either. How odd. But very nice pattern. Very easy to see. And this one, as you can see, is broke up to 16 parts. So some of these parts, this is it. This is all you just... That little strip is one part. That's one part, one part, one part. Yeah. But I just liked all the colors in it. I thought it was just gorgeous. I really did. So, very nicely done. I'm just going to set that there. And it does come with a bag of extra threads. So, very nice indeed. Bright orangish. It's like a bright bitter, not bitter, is it bittersweet? Yeah, bittersweet orange color. Some peaches, golds, pinks. Look at that green. It's kind of a pale mossy green. And let's take a look at the rest of the colors. It's also on thread cards. Hang on, I gotta get everybody untangled here. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. We have teals. We have seafoam greens, peaches, browns, kind of a palish peach, another peach tone, kind of a dark olive green and a darker green. Then you have that lovely teal. Ugh, love it. And then we have oranges and tans. Oh, yeah. Fall down. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Some are more muted than others, and others are nice and bright. Does come with 4 needles. I don't know if the other one had needles on it or not. I'm not real sure. Just very, very, very pretty. Beautiful. Let me shake it out, and I will show you all of them together. So, lots of autumn colors for some reason in this. We're going to put that with that. Fold it up. I didn't want to put it back in the boxes. The box opened weird, so yeah, we'll just go on. Nice, big, huge canvas. I wish it doesn't say on that. Maybe it said on the box. Hang on. We're going to tell you. And here. So this one is 85 by 109. And, no. Oh, the other box. The other one was 75 by 95. So yeah, this thing's kind of big. It's a stiff canvas. This is all the top of it. You know, like the sky and part of the mountains. There's just absolutely nowhere to unfold this. This one's at least as big as those first ones that I got. Dang it. Fold, please. It is very stiff. There is that building. Seriously. There's that building. So the building itself is not very big. It's mainly all the trees in the background and like the water with the clouds. So it doesn't have a whole lot of confetti in it at all. Yeah, it's beautiful. But it's going to have some larger areas to stitch. But you can see this is not too horribly confettied. So, very nice. I really like it. I really do. I cannot measure this. There's just no way. So, but very nice. I'm glad I got them. Don't know which one we're going to start today. I haven't gotten that far yet. So, thank you for joining me today for this surprise unboxing, bagging, rebagging, unbagging. Yeah, it's been a day. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.